Point of view: your husband offers to make breakfast on a Sunday morning. Just kidding, I totally helped make this mess too. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey and in today's video, I am serving up some good old-fashioned kitchen cleaning motivation. I also try some new cleaning hacks using lemons and olive oil in this video. And if you stick around until the end, I'll be updating my kitchen decor for fall. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Maybe get out your cleaning supplies and start cleaning with me. And if you did find today's video helpful or inspiring, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's start cleaning. Our house always tends to get a little bit more messy on the weekends because I don't always stick to my morning and nighttime cleaning routines. And last night I just was not feeling it. Plus, we are always so busy on the weekends that the house just gets neglected. This morning, the kitchen is especially messy because my husband did make breakfast and he is pretty messy when it comes to cooking. And I'm also trying out a new Kodiak cake muffin recipe. But honestly, there is just nothing better than a slow Sunday morning with your family. Luckily, my kitchen is just more messy than actually dirty because I did just deep clean my entire first floor. I did a video on it last week. I will link that down in the description below if that's something that you're interested in. And these Kodiak cake muffins turned out really, really good, but that is not why you came to this video, so let's keep cleaning. So as you can see, the dishes are piling up. There is food on the countertops and on the stove, and then inside the microwave needs to be cleaned out. I'm going to be trying steam cleaning with lemons and water, so let's see how we do with that. But first, I am just going to start with unloading and then reloading the dishwasher. That is my go-to starting point for any good kitchen cleaning day. So I found this cleaning hack on a blog or website. I cannot remember exactly where I found it, but you just cut up a lemon, put it in a microwave safe bowl with water, and then you're supposed to microwave it for 2 minutes. But I found that there wasn't much steam in there when I did it for 2 minutes, so I put it in for 2 more for a total of 4 minutes. And to be quite honest, this hack really did not work very well. So I'm just going in with my trusted all-purpose cleaner and a dish rag and just cleaning it out the good old-fashioned way. So if you find that hack, it's not even worth your time. So that hack was kind of a bust, but the next hack I have high hopes for. So there has been a really bad odor coming from my garbage disposal, and I read that there is likely a buildup of food waste under the impellers. So the hack that I found says to run ice through your disposal to dislodge the food particles and then run lemons through it. So we are going to give it a try and see how it works. And I would have to say, I am editing this video a few days later and the odor is gone. So I think that that hack is a winner. If you have any really good or fun kitchen or any cleaning hacks, let me know down in the comments because I would love to check them out and try some of them. So another cleaning hack that I found was to polish your stainless steel with an oil, so either olive oil or coconut oil, and a microfiber towel. So I'm gonna try using olive oil and see how we do. I feel like I have been on a mission to get my stainless steel stove looking good for so long. I have the same issue with my sink. It just looks like there's buildup on it all the time. And I would have to say, this turned out so nice. It looks polished and shiny and really beautiful. So that is a great hack. I'm going to be using that all the time. And again, I'm editing this a few days later, and my stove was much easier to clean off. So all of the food residue, it just came off easier than before. So I feel like the olive oil kind of put a protective barrier on it. So that's a really good hack. I am going to be using that a lot. Now that my kitchen is looking clean and beautiful, it is time to update this decor. I talked about this in my last video, but my style is definitely more on the minimalistic side, especially in the kitchen. I tend to like everything to serve a purpose, and in the past, I wasn't keen on having decor clutter up my counters, but I am looking forward to adding a few functional decor pieces to my kitchen to bring the cozy feel of fall into my home. So the first item that I am going to be upgrading is our fruit bowl. I found this really beautiful bowl at HomeGoods, and I just love the subtle detail and the classic warm-toned white finish. I have just been loving antique looking artwork lately, and I found this floral still life at Hobby Lobby. I love how the wood frame and the muted tones really contrast nicely against the white, and it brings in some warmth and character to my kitchen, which my kitchen was definitely lacking before. And I decided to hop on the kitchen lamp trend, and I'm so glad that I did. The lamp adds warmth and light to this once dark and sad little corner of my kitchen. I just think that this little corner of my kitchen is now so cute and cozy. It's warm and inviting, and I love going down to get my coffee in the morning and turning on that lamp, and it just brings a very cozy fall vibe to my kitchen. I wanted to add this utensil crock, which provides visual interest as well as functionality, and I added it to this corner with a simple recipe book stand and a vase with flowers. I found this book stand on Amazon and I absolutely love it. I love the wood tones, and it's a functional way to showcase a beautiful cookbook. It just adds a very inviting and homey feel to this kitchen, which is definitely the goal for this redecorating. I'll put a link for this down in the description below. So here is the final look of my clean and updated kitchen decor, and I really like how it turned out. It's still me, it's still minimalistic. Everything really does serve a function and a purpose, but it does bring a little bit more visual interest to my kitchen, and it just cozies it up a little bit and really brings in some of the, cozy, warm fall vibes. But my husband and I are having a little bit of a debate, so I need your guys' help. He thinks that the lamp should go over with the recipe book, and I would have to say I moved it over there. I'll show a clip next. I do really like it over there too, so let me know what you think down below in the comments. I don't know, I'm kind of torn. I like it both places, so let me know what you think. I'm kind of loving it with the recipe book. I don't know, but I like it in this corner too. So I need your help. Let me know down in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did find today's video helpful or inspiring, I would love it if you gave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much, and I will see you on the next one.